Chang, and we begin tonight with a single mom who came to this country and made it big. Sofia Vergara is the red-hot star of the hit sitcom Modern Family here on ABC. In many ways, the show reflects the changing reality of the American family. In her spare time, she's launched a line of clothing for women who want her hot Hollywood flair for less. All this from a woman who once thought she'd be a dentist. Here's my colleague, Cynthia McFadden.
I know that I have an accent, but people understand me just fine.
It was a role written just for her.
UJ, I called your secretary and told her to order you a box of baby cheeses.
Sofia Vergara plays Gloria on ABC's hit comedy Modern Family.
It's not very good!
She's loud, she's funny,
Drop it.
and she's perfectly sexy. And of course, there's that accent.
I didn't say herrings, I said herring.
You said once that sometimes when you get all dressed up as Gloria, you said, I kind of look like a tranny. Yeah.
I do, and I honestly, don't I look right now? Look at me.
But you know what?
No. But there's nothing wrong.
It's extreme womanhood, I guess. Yeah.
Exactly, that's why, because I always felt like I look, with extra boobs, that normal woman with extra butt, and I always have, makeup and the hair, and I love big jewelry, so I feel like that.
We got to spend some time with Vergara backstage at Modern Family, and we wondered just how close is she to her character, Gloria.
I know, not the attic is dirty, and it has a spider.
Where does Sofia stop and Gloria begin?
She's Colombian. She has an accent. She has a kid from a previous marriage. She's loud.
She has a hot temper.
She's crazy.
Do you have a temper?
Yeah, a lot. But the funny thing is that, usually, when I'm starting a relationship with a boyfriend, at the beginning they get a little scared because I can turn around and scream and get angry, but I turn around and I forget about it. So it's then once they know me, they're like, oh, she's fine.
But in real life, Vergara is more than just that hot Latin mother she plays on television. She's a cover girl and a businesswoman with her own production company.
I'm Sofia Vergara, and I'm not afraid to work with what I've got.
And a new line of women's clothes at Kmart. It's meant to be affordable and fit women with curves, even if your curves aren't as good as her curves.
My collection is at Kmart. So go.
So are you wearing your line right now? This is it? This is you? The jewelry?
Jewelry, earrings, everything, the jeans.
All right, so do a little twirl for me. Let's say, Now, if we could all look like that in the jeans, it would be a different thing.
Yes, you will look like this with the jeans. They're $29, and you look like $1 million. It's like, who has money now to spend thousands of dollars in an outfit? No one. But still, women want to look cute, want to look beautiful, want to look sexy.
So do you think that you can single-handedly bring back the U.S. economy?
I don't know. I'm bringing sexy back to Kmart. That's all I can tell you.
At 39, Vergara was not an overnight success. She's been working hard at making it for 22 years. A natural blonde, she grew up in Colombia. She loved playing with Barbie dolls and hoped one day that she'd have that Barbie figure too.
You were skinny, too, as a little girl.
Yeah.
There was a nickname.
El palillo, which is toothpick. I suffer because, I'm always, everybody was more voluptuous than me. I mean, in my culture, a skinny girl has nothing going on. So I was very scared, always concerned that I was never going to fill up, those fabulous outfits that my mother had.
You didn't need to worry.
But at that time, I didn't know.
She certainly wasn't too skinny at age 17 when modeling scouts discovered her on a beach with her family. They quickly placed her in this Pepsi ad. And now, all these years later, she's still doing Pepsi ads. But now it's a diet.
Oh, no, not that.
She married young at age 18 and had her one and only son, Manolo, the following year.
Having Manolo made me always not gone crazy with the fame or anything. I was always more concerned about being a good mother and working to make money, not just, to be famous and crazy.
So the mothering that we see, you do as Gloria.
Now promise me that you will never, ever do anything dishonest again. I promise? Okay, because that's not the way I raised you.
Is that the kind of mother you were with Manolo?
I think she's amazing. I mean, I think all the women should be a little bit more like Gloria. I try to learn from her, actually. I wish I was more like her.
Surprisingly, despite her sunny disposition, Vergara has endured many tragedies in her life. Her older brother was kidnapped and murdered in Colombia, and her younger brother has battled an addiction to drugs. To cope, she says she tries to stay upbeat.
And when you have a responsibility like a kid or like a family, you cannot give yourself the luxury of getting depressed and thinking too much about it.
But even that was hard to do back in 2000 when doctors told her she had thyroid cancer. She was just 28 years old.
I was very young, and when they tell you that word, it's like, what are you talking about? And you think about that word, and it's just, you always think death. That's all you think when they tell you that. So it was pretty scary.
You can see the faintest little scar right there.
Yes. I need like a diamond necklace, don't you think? To color it.
But I mean,
don't care about the scar. It's not that bad.
So you can even laugh about
Yes.
everything.
I mean, I have to. If not, imagine if I sit at home and think of all the things that had happened, I'll be like, paralyzed in bed.
Since divorcing her first husband, Vergara's been tied to some of Hollywood's leading men, most famously Tom Cruise. But these days, she's in love with a man outside the Hollywood circle. He's 36-year-old Nick Loeb, a wealthy businessman from Florida.
You're going to turn 40 this year.
Yes.
Have you thought about more children?
Yeah, of course, because of him. If I stay with him, he's younger than me. He's 36. He's never had kids, so I'm sure he's gonna put pressure on me. So, but right now I can't. I mean, I'm doing, in the middle of Modern Family, which is my priority. I don't think anyone wants to see Gloria pregnant. I mean, I can't.
I don't
Why
know. Why not? That's a new Modern Family. There's a twist. The writers would love that.
I'm gonna look horrible.
Oh, my Lord.
Vergara has perfected the art of not taking herself too seriously.
Oh, really? You could have done that.
It's a special Latin technique that I
Yeah? It was like a mermaid.
She told me at this event she even walked down the red carpet with her shoes on the wrong feet.
You got your feet in the right shoes now?
Yeah. The
Yeah.
right is on the right and the left is on the left. I'm ready.
Very cute.
The night we were with her, everything seemed to be in just the right place.
Well done, Sophia, and our thanks to Cynthia. As if TV stardom isn't enough, Sophia has 2 movies coming out this holiday season, New Year's Eve and Happy Feet 2. That one was huge in my house. And just ahead, we shift gears as new sexual harassment accusations